Hi, welcome to Logic Ladder with Sangha. Today I will explain the relation between PPF and MRT, that is production possibility frontier and marginal rate of transformation. In my last videos I have shown how to draw the PPF from a given table, and today I am repeating that same table, and only here we have assumed that the resources in the economy is fixed and there are only two goods produced, say gun and butter. And because resources are fixed, that's why if we want to increase production of one good, we have to reduce the production of other good. So here we can see we are increasing the production of butter, and that's why we have to sacrifice the production of guns. And there are 7 possibilities A to G, and marginal rate of transformation is the number of units of goods sacrificed divided by number of units of goods increased, that is delta guns by delta butter, because guns are sacrificed and butters are increased. So now we can see the points. At point A, no butter is produced, only guns are produced 21 units and 0 units of butter, no MRT here and no change, that's why. And at B, 1 unit of gun sacrificed, 1 unit of butter increased, so the MRT is 1:1. At C, 2 units of gun sacrificed, 2, and 1 units of butter increased, 1, that is 2:1, 2. At D, sacrifice 3 units, gain 1 unit, 3:1, 3. At E, 4 units sacrificed of one good and 1 unit of other good increased, 4:1, 4. And at F, 5 units of one good sacrificed and 1 unit of one good increased, so 5:1, 5. And at last G, we can see that 6 units of gun sacrificed and 1 unit of butter increased, 6:1, 6. And at point G, there is no gun produced, only butter produced. Now we can plot these points to draw the PPF. Here I have already drawn the PPF, and where we have plot the points. Butter is measured along the horizontal axis, guns are measured along the vertical axis, and we are measuring the points like A, point A, 0, 21, that is 0 units of butter and gun units 21. Next at point B, 120, that is butter 1 and gun 20. At point C, butter 2 and gun 18. And point D, butter 3 and gun 15. And point E, butter 4 and gun 11. And point F, butter 5 and gun is 6. And at last at point G, butter 6 and gun 0. So this is the PPF already drawn. Now we have to check the MRT. Suppose at point between C and D, MRT actually measures the slope of PPF. Now between C and D, we can see that number of units sacrificed, number of guns sacrificed, 18 minus 15, 3. 3, and butter increased 1, that is 3/1, 3. That is CP by PD. Between D and E, the slope MRT is DH by HE. 15 minus 11, 4, and by 1, HE is 1. 4/1, 4. Same way between E and F, that is here it is 11 and here it is 6, that is 5. 11 minus 6, 5. EI by IF, that is 5/1, 5. So in this way we can see that the MRT is increasing, that is slope of the PPF is increasing, that's why PPF is a concave curve. But if we can see the other possibilities of PPF, can it be straight line? If the MRT is fixed, then it can be straight line. Then we have to assume that all the factors of production are having same efficiency in production of all the goods, but it is not possible. Same way, if we are thinking that PPF will be convex to the origin, that is all convex to the origin means that is also not possible. Only possibility is there that the PPF is concave. And as we are moving down along the ppf, we are transforming guns into butter, and as we are moving up along the ppf, we are transforming butter into gun. So the ppf is also called the transformation curve. Hope I have explained you properly how. And mrt, I have already said that it measures the slope of ppf or ppc. I have tried to explain you nicely. If you have understood or not understood also, please write it in a comment, and please like and subscribe my video. I have sent some questions also, try to answer them. I will come in my next video with some statistical, that is the finding out decile topic. Till then, bye.